Hi, my name is Mary and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to be showing you 10 do's and don'ts of skincare. 10 things that you can do and you should start doing to help you level up your skincare game, improve your skincare routine and your skin in general. So if you're curious enough, let's dive in. Hi, my name is Mary and welcome to this video. Welcome to this channel. If you're new, it's a pleasure to meet you. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Please consider subscribing, and also if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and also leave your thoughts in the comments. Diving into today's video, we're going to start with the don'ts. Don't number one, don't ever go to bed with makeup on. Don't ever do that because you're going to end up with clogged pores and you're going to give yourself serious skin issues resulting from clogged pores. Don't number two, do not use a body lotion as a face cream. Body lotions were meant for your body and face creams are specifically designed for your face. There is a difference. Don't fall prey by using one for two purposes. 3. Do not use a bath soap on your face unless it was specifically designed for that purpose. Okay, don't just do that. It contains harmful ingredients that will mess up your pH levels and will cause you skin issues and move you further from your skincare goals for 2020 or whatever year you're watching this. Don't number 4. Do not take time to moisturize after you cleanse. I know some people take their baths and love to cleanse their face while taking the baths. I do, but try to follow up with your other skincare routine afterwards. If you don't, your skin is going to try to start producing oils of its own. That especially if you're oily skin. And then the final don't. Do not use moisturizers that contain alcohol. The work of a moisturizer is to moisturize, hydrate your face. So if you're using an alcohol that strips your face, it kind of defeats the whole purpose of applying the moisturizer in the first place. So while shopping for moisturizers, avoid moisturizers that contain alcohol. So we're moving to the do's. Wipe your phone daily. Your phone picks up a lot of dirt from your hand and from the surroundings. If you look at your phone during the course of the day, you're going to notice that the screen looks a little misty, a little cloudy. That's a combination of a whole lot of dirt that you might be putting on your skin when you receive a call or when you touch your face after touching your phone. So the solution is to wipe your phone at least once a day, and if you can afford it, twice. 2. Change your pillowcases daily. What would it cost you? 7 pillowcases, and then you wash on Saturdays. It's not so much to ask for a good skin, is it? Then that number 3. Never go out without sunscreen. Like seriously, sunscreen is one of the most important steps in your skincare routine that you should not overlook. Do number 4. Do apply your skincare products from down to up and not the other way around. Then do test patch on new products before you apply them on your skin so as to determine if your skin is compatible with that product or if it's going to irritate the shit out of your skin. So for your own good. And how to dispatch? Dispatch on a place that is not so obvious, like here inside your elbow or the back of your neck or something, somewhere that you can easily hide till it heals off. That's about it for this video. I hope you learned a thing or two from this video. If you did, click on the like button, and if you yet to subscribe to this channel, please do well to subscribe. Leave a comment letting me know your thoughts on this video, and I love hearing from you, so that will really make me happy. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.